Make passive income with Faceless YouTube channel with free AI tool in 2024. Now, Time AI is very developed and advanced, and I'm telling you how to make Faceless YouTube channel with free AI tool. Step 1. Choosing your niche. Choose that niche that is trending, can achieve more views in 2024. There are top 3. Trending niche like moto vlogging, football, food. Step 2. Content creation. You need to make a good content and make sure the video is good for video editing. Use CapCut Premium Pro. Step 3. Automation and scaling. For scaling your video, use Vidiq, that rate your video, and it gives you trending title and tags for your video. Use a image, Grenade, like pixabay.com, and gives you stock image and video. Use a thumbnail maker like PixArt and gives you attractive thumbnail for your video. For voiceover, you can use 11 Laps website.